Well, good morning everyone. It's a beautiful morning in the woods. We're just setting up for one of our Go Wild events, and I'm just heading into the forest to collect some firewood. We're going to be focusing today on some shelter building and a bit of fire lighting, and we're also going to cook some lunch on the fire. So we're going to do some fire bread and some prehistoric eggs. But it is a beautiful morning, and you just missed the deer who sort of headed off in that sort of direction over there.